After our successful run on the block in 2018, we bought our own home here in Perth. We used our building and painting skills to transform our house, but the most important transformation we did was changing out the light globes.
While living a life of comfort is important to us, we want to make sure it's sustainable and in sync with the environment. So one of the ways we're living lighter is by switching all the halogen globes to LED downlights throughout our home. We've even gone one step further by upgrading to smart LED downlights in key areas, which gives us more control over how we use energy. We got a little help from Beacon Lighting's design studio, which made the whole process so easy for us.
The decision is a no-brainer. Just think about it. An LED globe uses nearly 5 times less energy than a halogen and lasts up to 5 times longer. It means we'll save energy, we'll save money, and there'll be less globes going into landfill.
That's not all. Replacing just one old globe with an LED globe is the same as planting one tree to sequester carbon for 10 years.
The difference we can make is big, and all it takes is something as small as changing a light globe.
Let's do this for our planet, for ourselves. Let's find ways to live lighter together.